we are here, and let's get the train.
Let's get the train. I want to go directly here.
Yeah, and then we do the orange one, then we'll do the blue one, up the trail, and then we will do the yellow trail, and if we have time we'll do the boat ride for $50.
Unseen enemy of the human mind.
So we made it to Iguazu Waterfalls. This is the Argentinian side. It is the largest waterfall system in the world, and they divide the Iguazu River top and the Iguazu River bottom.
Nervous tension can prevent you from relaxing, spoil your leisure hours, and rob you of the sleep you need at night. Nervous tension.
The trails let you walk through the waterfall system pretty close to some of the falls. This is actually the Devil's Throw, which is the biggest fall, and it's just amazing. So the Iguazu Waterfalls became part of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1984. It is a magnificent display of nature. It's made up of up to 275 waterfalls depending on what season. There's more or less water going down from them. And it receives over 1 million visitors a year, so depending on when you go, it will be pretty packed. But regardless, it's so worth it, so much so worth it. The paths take you in and out the waterfalls. It takes you about a day to do the whole of the Argentinian side, depending on how fast you walk. If you don't walk too fast, it might be like 2 days if you also include the boat ride. And you can get a discount for a 2-day pass, which is a little bit cheaper, but it's still pricey.
As we look at the weather map, we see a cold front with forecast of sub-zero temperatures, with tomorrow's forecast for continued mild. Continued mild?
The Brazilian side are equally amazing. It's less area that you have to walk through, a lot less. They're more concentrated just in one part of the river. but they're also amazing, and you can get there by local bus, which is quite cheap, or get a taxi. It's not that expensive. And then once you're there, you buy a ticket that will put you on a double-decker bus. You can also hike it, but it's quite far. The entrance is quite far to the actual waterfalls themselves. So that's it, guys. You can't see the Paraguay side of the falls because of where the country is in the river, but it is truly amazing. I totally recommend this place. You have to visit it once in a lifetime.